Okay. Uh, so we'll cover a scenario. It's going to be a short one. Uh, See, we use the gs.info or gs.print, right? Or we use alert, or we use gs.log, gs.add info message, gs.add error message, and so many things like, right? We use uh, either to send the data as the output, or to use something as log, or to show some message, some pop-up message using alert to user, and sometimes we use add info message uh, to see the static plus dynamic data. So we'll see show how to show static plus dynamic data uh, into these the above mentioned. Yeah. So the underlying concept is same. So the static data, so we need to send it in the string format. Yeah. So whatever we mention, for example, if I'm sending something as gs dot print hi, so this will show up as only hi, right? And if there is some dynamic or like object oriented, we can say, to be more technical data. For example, I want to uh, I want to show up the data such as incident short description, right? So current dot short description, or if the object is gr, then gr dot short description. So here we will not use these single quotes or double quotes, right? So we can show up the data using this. So we'll try to cover a scenario wherein we will show the combined data, right? Static plus object related data. Yeah. So those who already know it can skip the video. So it's going to be a short one. Let's start. Okay. Uh, for example, so this is the personal developer instance I have. I'm already logged in, and so this is the list of incident, right? I've just gone to incident.list, and this is the list. So for example, this is the incident, right? So let's take this incident. So we'll use the background script itself. Those who don't know how to navigate. So this is the filter navigator, right? So for some of you who have just recently requested the instance, the look will be like this, the instance look here. So we can go to all, and then we can use this pin icon. So this is pin to the left. So we will go to the background scripts. Yeah, we'll go to scripts. Okay, so let's do a glide record to get the short description of this incident. Okay. So as always, a disclaimer that use in production carefully. Yeah. Production instance, avoid using it. Use big script instead of this. Yeah. So let's get the short description of this record first. So again, I'm passing the parameter as number, comma, this one. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, so this script has returned us two short descriptions, right? First is can't read email, second is created from scripted REST API. Okay, so let's do a show matching on this one. See, there are two incidents with the same number. That is why we have received two short descriptions. So let's narrow it down further. Mm, okay. Okay, so we need to get this incident itself. So, okay, let me do a encoded query, right? So, what I would do is I would define another variable with this encoded query, and here I would comment this out, the add query filter, and now I would send this encoded query. Okay, now let's see. Gr is not defined. Okay, it is the object name is grinc, right? grinc. Okay, let's run it. Okay, now we have received only one uh, incident, that is with the short description, this one. So this is the object related data that we have got, right? Now we need to insert something. Okay, so let's make a scenario as uh, output should be like hi user incident number is, okay, here there should be incident number, then a comma, or no need of comma, with short description, short description of the incident. Yeah, so let's try to get how to get this output, because we also need to send the, this is the static data, right? The hard coded data strings along with the incident number as well and the incident short description. So how to achieve this, right? Uh, it's easy, but we need to do some practice. Okay, so let me copy this. Hi user, incident number is C. Right here I need to give a plus, because this is a string. I would need to send it in the quotes. Here we need to give the, now we need to reach the object, right, using grinc dot number plus, again because this is a string, I would start with the quote. So in the quote here again, I need to go to the object. Okay, uh, let's see if it works. Okay, so our requirement is high user incident number is with short description. High user incident number is with short description. So there is, I think, some space is required. So we can give the space. Okay. Uh, Now what if we need to send it in the like say next line? I think we can use this slash n, right? So high user incident number is with the short description. So like that we can, right, do some formatting and all. So this was a scenario I thought we can discuss, like how to and see same things. We use this like I just provided the example of gs dot using gs dot print, right? Even if we do like gs dot info, uh, to return the same, right? So same. So we have covered I think gs.info and gs.print we have covered. Now this alert is used in the client side, the client scripts, the log and the add info message. So these are mostly used in the business rule and all. So you can cover these scenarios, try to cover the client side scripting alert. Yeah. So thank you.